Good day, everyone. It's me, Teacher Ray. Let us learn mathematics easy and fun. Quarter 2, Week 8, Mathematics 4. Objectives. Rounds decimal numbers to the nearest whole number and 10. Compares and arrange decimal numbers. Let us answer the learning test that I gave you last week. Give the place value of the underlying digit. So what is the place value of 5? Since it is the second digit, so 4 is the tens place, and 5 is the underlying digit, so this is hundreds. So number 1 is hundreds. How about number 2? So this one is ones. The underlying digit is tens. So you can check your work. Number 3, so 3 is ones, 0 is also tens. So check your work. Number 4, 6 is ones, 9 is also tens. Number 5, the first 0 is ones, the second 0 is tens, and 8 is hundreds. Now, for the learning task 2, give the value of the underlying digit. So this time we're going to write or give the value. So 8 is, what is the value of 8? Since 8 is in the tens place, so the value of this one is 0.8. So this is 8 tenths. Number 2, 1 and 28 hundredths. So since 2 is also in the tens place, so 2 is tenths, 2 tenths. Number 3 is 3 and 66 hundredths. So 6 is the underlying digit. So 6 is 6 hundredths. So we will add 0 sa unahan kasi hundredths siya. Number 4, also tenths. So that is 9 tenths. Number 5, 5 hundredths. So you can check your work. Next, learning task 4, write the following in decimal form. So, as I can say last time, kung paano nyo siya binasa, ganun nyo siya isusulat. So, number 1, 2 and 300. So, in decimal 4, 2 and, so yung n, di ba sabi ko last time, ay decimal point. So, 2 and 300. Since hundreds ang digit niya, wala tayong number dito, so we will add 0 para maging 300 siya. Number 2, 65. So 65, we will write 65 and 65 hundredths. So pag sinabi nating hundreds, laging dalawang digit yon. 59 hundredths. So pwedeng walang 0 sa unahan, pwedeng meron. Then decimal point, 59 hundredths. 7 tenths, since tenths lang naman siya, so wala tayong 0 sa unahan ng 7. Pero dito pwedeng may 0, pwedeng wala. 84 hundredths, so 0. decimal point 84 hundredths. So that's it. You can check your work. You can check your paper. And now for our week 8, by looking at the number line, so this is called number line. Itong guhit na to na may number, ang tawag sa kanila ay number line. You will notice that 2 and 4600 is still nearest to the number 2 than number 3. So, for example, or we can use number line in comparing number or in rounding off number. Okay, so we have 2 here and 3 to the other point. So, 2, tignan natin kung saan mas malapit si 2 and 46 hundredths. So, as you can see, si 2 and 46 hundredths ay mas malapit siya sa 2 kaysa sa 3. Because from 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Meron tayong 4 units. While si 2 and 46 hundredths papunta naman sa 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Meron tayong 6 units. So 2 and 46 hundredths is still nearest to number 2. So we have round off 2 and 46 hundredths to the nearest whole number. Pag sinabi nating whole number, saan tayo titingin? Titingin tayo bago mag-decimal point. So, yung mga number na papunta dito, bago mag-decimal point, those are whole numbers. So, after the decimal point, pagkatapos ng decimal point, di ba ito si decimal point natin? Ayan si decimal. Pagkatapos ng decimal number natin, yung mga number naman papunta sa right, those are numbers or decimal numbers. Now, our instruction in number 1 is to round off 2 and 46 hundredths to the nearest whole number. Since si 2 ang ating whole number, titignan natin yung number sa likod niya. So, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you're going to add 1. But if the number is 4, 3, 2, 1, it will remain as 2. So, round down. So, since ang number na nasa likod ng 2 ay 4, so, i-maintain natin si 2, no? So, 2 pa rin siya. So, 2 and 46 hundredths round off to the nearest whole number will become 2. Since may decimal tayo dito, kahit hindi na natin ilagay yung dalawang 0 doon kasi may tuldok na tayo doon sa hulihan. Ibig sabihin, ito lang yung importante, yung tulang. Okay? So, let us have another example. So we have here, round off 2 and 46 hundredths to the nearest tens. This time, tens naman ang ating i-round up. So what number or what digit is in the tens place? So the number is 4. So yung 4 yung nasa tens place. Now, look at the number. Tignan natin yung number na nasa likod niya. 6 yung number na nasa likod niya. So, sabi ko nga kanina, kapag yung number ay 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you are going to add 1. Diba? So, si 2 ay magiging 5. Yung nasa unahan ng, si 4 ay magiging 5. Yung nasa unahan na number, kokopyahin nyo lang yan. So, as is na yon. Yung 2 ay hindi mababago, 2 pa rin siya. And then decimal point, ang ira-round up nyo lang ay nearest tens, so that is 4. Since 6 yung nasa likod niya, add 1, so naging 5. So 2 and 46 hundredths, round off to the nearest 10, it will become 2 and 5 tenths. Okay, so this is the explanation. So the place value, we have 2, decimal point, 4, and 6. No? The ones digit are the same. So this time, let us compare the two given. So we have 2 and 46 hundredths. The other one is 2 and 49 hundredths. So the ones digit are the same. So these two numbers are the same. So they are both 2 equal. The tens digit are also the same. So yung tens naman nila, this is tens ha. So yung nasa module natin ay may typo error. So tens yun. So, yung ones ay the same, yung tens ay the same. Now, look at the hundreds place. The hundreds digits are not the same, so hindi sila magkapareho. The value of 6 is 6 hundredths and the value of 9 is more than 6. So, dito, malalaman natin alin ang mas malaki. So, 2 and 4900 is bigger than 2 and 46 hundredths, or 2 and 4600 is less than. Ibig sabihin, mas maliit siya kaysa sa 2 and 49 hundredths. Okay. So, in symbol, lagi yung tatandaan na in comparing numbers, we can use the symbol less than, greater than, or equal. So, yan yung mga ginagamit kapag nagko-compare tayo ng numbers. Or para hindi kayo malito, laging yung tatandaan, kung nasaan yung malaking number, doon nakaharap yung symbol na kakain, yung kakainin si Pacman. Ayan. Or, you can also arrange decimal numbers from least or greatest. So, in comparing numbers, laging yung tatandaan, tignan nyo muna yung unahan, yung 1. So, magkapareha sila. Then, proceed to tens. Magkaparehas pa rin. Proceed to hundreds. Pag hindi na sila magkaparehas, tignan yung mas malaki. Kung nasaan yung malaki, doon ibubuka yung symbol natin na compare number. So, 2 and 4600 is less than 2 and 4900. Now, you can arrange decimal numbers from least to greatest. So, ganun lang din yung gagawin nyo in arranging number. So, titignan nyo muna. Pag sinabi nating least to greatest, magsisimula si least ay maliit, papunta, palaki. Pag sinabi namang greatest, malaki muna, bago paliit. Okay. So, example number 1 is least to greatest. Ibig sabihin, mas malaki, yung pinakamaliit ang mauuna. Kasi least to greatest maliit pa palaki. So, dito madali lang yan. Lahat sila nagsisimula sa 0. Punta tayo, alin ang pinakamaliit. So, since 5 ang pinakamaliit, next is 6, then 7, then 9. So, this number is arranged from least to greatest, maliit palaki. This time is greatest to least naman, magsisimula sa malaki, papaliit. So, nakikita nyo naman 28, 25, 24, and 23. Okay, for your learning task 1, page 36, 1 to 5 only ha. So, you are going to answer 1 to 5 only. Round off the following decimal numbers to the nearest tens. Nearest tens. So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabi nating nearest tens, eto lang yung mga yon, nearest tens. So, eto lang po ang ira-round off nyo. Yan po. May example na kayo ha. So, ang titingnan nyo, yung number na nasa likod nila. So, remember, yung number na nasa likod kapag 5 to 9, add 1. So, bibigyan ko na kayo ng example number 1. Yung mga number na nasa unahan, kinokopya lang yun. Kahit anong number yun, kokopyahin nyo lang. So, since 5 yung nasa tabi ni 1, so si 1 ay magiging 2. And then, magiging 0 na yung nasa likod niya. Okay, so ganun lang po yung pag-round off. Then, you're going to answer 2 to 5. For your learning task 2, 1 to 5 only, round off the following decimal to the nearest whole number. So, saan naman makikita si whole number? Sabi ko nga, si whole number ay makikita bago mag-decimal point. So, ibig sabihin, itong mga nasa unahan ang mga whole number. Ang titignan nyo, syempre, yung nasa likod pa rin. Pwedeng hindi na isulat ng mga number na nasa after ng decimal point kasi whole number naman ang hinahanap. For your learning task 3, 1 to 5 only, fill in the blanks with the correct symbol. So you're going to write less than, greater than, and equal. So tingnan mabuti. Kapag magkapareho yung nasa unahan, punta sa pangalawang number sa tens. Pag magkapareho pa din, punta sa ikatlong number. Then hanapin nyo alin ang mas malaki, doon ihaharap si symbol. Okay? And then, for your learning task 4, page 36 again, 1 to 5 only, arrange the following decimal numbers from least to greatest. Ibig sabihin, magsisimula sa maliit, papalaki. So, tandaan, tingnan. Oops, magkakaparehas yung mga nasa unahang number. Yung pangalawa kaya, magkakaparehas pa din ba? Hindi na. So, yung dalawa magkaparehas, yung sumunod na dalawa, hindi. Least to greatest. So, dito sa dalawang maliit, dahil 1 yan, mamimili na kayo kung alin yung uunahin nyo. So, unahin nyo, 8 and 15 hundreds. Sumunod, si 8 and 19 hundreds. Dito sa dalawang to, alin yung mas maliit, 5 or 9? So, mas maliit si 5. So, 8 and 51 hundreds. And then the last one is 8 and 91 hundreds. So, ganun po ang pag-arrange ng number from least to greatest, maliit papalaki. And then this time, arrange the number from greatest to least. So kanina maliit papalaki, ngayon naman malaki papaliit. Greatest to least. So the same process lang ang gagawin. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new. So kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, paki-hit ang subscribe button and leave a comment. Thank you!